Yeah, I don't know if y'all can see that crow up there, but this nigga's official. I think this nigga took the goddamn road test before. He eating some shit. He eating some of that squirrel right there. You know what I'm saying? The nigga done ate a piece. A car was coming. That bitch just hopped a couple steps up there. Oh, here you go. Watch when the car come. Oh, he got some. Watch this. Here come a car. Let's see it. Look. This bitch just bounced out the way. Watch you wait for traffic. Look at this bitch. Look. Oh, look. He got out all the way from all the traffic. Yo, this nigga getting out the way of the cars. He about to go back and eat. Look. This nigga's official. Yo. This bitch know the laws of the motherfucking street. Look. He ain't sweating the car. Oh, that was a little close. How much? Nigga, Jay don't care. This video can't play over here, and this one can't do over there, and and percentages and points, and he was like, can't we just make good music? So that's the Jazzy T. Yo, that nigga official. That's my fucking guy right there. How do you cue? Where he went? Oh, here goes Mans. How do you cue? Is that nigga down there? Oh, that ain't him. Where that bitch went? How will you cue? Oh, I guess that's it.